So what's the best way to start a side hustle to make money? In this video, I'm going to give you the 7 best side hustle ideas for you to start making money. So stay tuned. Hey, Sven here. If you are new on this channel, I'm helping people to start their online business. So if you're interested, subscribe to my channel so you won't missing out. Okay, let's talk about the 7 best side hustle idea to make money. So the first side hustle idea is this one. What I'm doing, I'm playing computer game, but I also recording it. So I'm recording when I'm playing video games, which I can show this for a guide. So you're thinking about what's the things you're already doing on a daily basis so that you can recording them and show as a tutorial or a guide for an info product. So the first side hustle idea is selling information product. So if you're doing this way, you don't need to spend too much time to creating content for your products because you're already doing on the daily basis. The second side hustle idea is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products. When someone buys from you, you will get commission. So you don't need to creating your product. You don't need to deal with customer services. All you need to do just building authority. Maybe you are a blogger, vlogger. You can monetize by promoting this product from Amazon, which is a mobile phone stabilizer. By the way, affiliate marketing is one of the reasons why I can quit my 9-to-5 job. So if you're interested on my strategy or my framework, how I do this thing, you can click the link in the description so you will know the secrets. So the side hustle idea number 3, which is consulting. Now you see, every entrepreneur needs more sales, more traffic. So when you develop these high income skill sets which related to the sales process, such as copywriting, traffic generation, funnel buildings, or know how to running ads, that means how to pay $1 out and get $2 back. So you may ask, I'm just starting out, I have no idea on this space. What you can do is, you can promoting your services for free initially. You can collecting the testimonial. At the same time, you can also improve your skill sets and develop your skill sets. And later on, you can charge money for the services. I'm talking about thousands of dollars per services. So side hustle idea number 4, which is this thing, virtual assistants. Now you see, every entrepreneur, they have social medias, but they don't want to spend time every day just post on the social media. So they need to hiring the virtual assistant to manage their social medias. So all your work is posting on social media daily and reply the comment on the social media daily. So your work just on this thing. So number 5 side hustle idea, which is drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can sell anything. You can sell water bottle, you can sell phone cases, but the key is a complicated business model. So it's more suitable for someone already have experience. So if you already have a local business, you need to have a side hustle. So dropshipping may be a good idea, but it seems not likely. It's a good idea for someone who don't have experience in business. So number 6 is become an influencer. You can become an influencer on the social media, such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, but the reality is, you may be asking, it's so hard to go to the highest level, such as Gary V's, PewDiePie's, Mr. Beast's, this level, right? But remember this thing, everyone is start from zero. If you have the mindset is business is a marathon, it's not sprinting. If you have this mindset, you're good to go. If you can spend 2 years, 4 years, but after 4 years, if you can double or triple your corporate job income, is it worth it? Absolutely. So it's all about the mindset. Everyone is start from zero. So side hustle idea number 7, which is freelancer for specific skills. So what's the specific skill? The specific skill which is graphic design, video editing, audio editing, translation, transcription. You see, a lot of the entrepreneurs, they don't have this skill set. So what they're doing is outsourcing, and they will pay a lot of the money for outsourcing for these specific skills because they already know running a business, they can't be cheap. So they will spend a lot of the money to require the highest quality services. So this is the 7 side hustle ideas for you to make money. Let me know in the comment what you are choosing. So if you're still asking, I don't know what to choose, let me give you some direction. So if you have nothing about business experience, what I recommend is starting from affiliate marketing, which you don't need to creating your product, you don't need to deal with customer services. You can leverage other companies' authority to selling their product and still getting commission. So if you're interested to start affiliate marketing, you can click the link in the description, which is my strategy, and you can check it out. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, which will help my channel growth. And if you have any questions, leave in the comment, and I see you in the next video.